My name is Urmila Nivangune, and today's topic is why string is immutable in Java and SCP. Today's date is 29th of December 2021. So let's come through our topic, that is why string is immutable in Java and SCP. First of all, we will see what is string. String is a sequence of character. It is just like a array structure, and that characters are get together without any comma. Then we can create string by using literal, and second one is by using new keyword. When we create string by using literal, then that string get placed into the memory in SCP, that is string constant pool. And when we create with string with new keyword, then the two copies of that string get created, and one copy is stored in SCP and second copy is stored in heap area. SCP is the internal part of heap area. String constant pool is a full form of SCP, and it is a special structure to store only strings type of data. Then Java string is always immutable because string is a class in Java. String is a predefined class, and so we can create object of that string. In Java programming, when we create one program, then for writing main method we always passed string object to the uh, main method as an argument. So if there are many objects, then uh, one can get or one can modify that string object. So it may create ambiguity, so avoid this ambiguity. Strings are always immutable in Java. Also for suppose we have to perform synchronization, then it will create ambiguity in Java by modifying a string. So that's why string is always immutable. Then second one is thread safe. Multi-threading is provided in Java. As multi-threading is provided in Java, that string object is passed to the every thread in a program. So compiler get confused to uh, threads if they are if one can modify it. Suppose there are five object we are passing as a string of string. Then if one programmer changes or modifies the value of string, or then it may affect on other programs or other classes. So avoid this. Strings are always immutable in Java. Then SCP. SCP is nothing but string constant pool. It is also a area on which strings types of data get placed or get memory into the memory location. When we create program with string literal, then one copy of that string is get created, of that object is get created, and that uh, copy gets stored on SCP. SCP is internal part of heap memory. Syntax of creating string by literal is string, that is class name, or it is reserved keyword. Then name of variable, that is s1 etc. Then brackets, or square brackets equal to sign, and then in double uh, quote string variables. It may be one or two, it is separated by a comma. Also, we can perform many operations on string, such as to cast string, uh, length of strings, that are methods in string class uh, which we can use in our program directly. So this is all about why strings are immutable in Java.